So I have everything laid out here. For shoes, I'm bringing these vintage cowboy boots. I thought this would be perfect for Santa Fe. Definitely gives it like a Spanish vibe. I like to roll all of the clothing. So tomorrow we are leaving on a trip to Santa Fe for 2 days, which I'm very excited about because I've never been to Santa Fe and it is somewhere I've always wanted to go. Today we have been, basically this morning we had lots of errands to run and I just now finished up figuring out what outfits to bring, and I need to wash my hair, do a workout, a bunch of stuff, but I wanted to quickly show you guys what outfits I will be bringing to Santa Fe. So I have everything laid out here. I have outfits for Sage, outfits for Andrew, and then my outfits. So I tried on all of these things. I basically like to try to figure out how I can mix and match and get the most outfits possible, so I have options but that I'm not like overpacking. So that just makes it so much easier, like less decision fatigue. And I like to lay everything out like this because it just makes it easier for me to make sure that everything kind of coordinates. I like for all of our outfits to coordinate, so that makes it easy for me to try to like plan it out just like the day before we leave, basically. So now I'll show you guys the pieces I'm bringing and then we will see if this fits in my suitcase. So it's going to be, I think, like a low of 45 and then it's going to be a high of basically 70. It's going to be like in the high 60s, 70s when we are there. So I just basically need like a light jacket. So I'm packing my Levi's jacket. I feel like this is always one of my go-tos because it is a nice like additional layer, but it's pretty light. So I won't have to worry about getting too hot or anything like that. So this is going to be my jacket. For shoes, I'm bringing these vintage cowboy boots that my dad got for me at Goodwill. So I thought these would be cute for Santa Fe. I'm going for kind of like a southwestern vibe, basically. And then I'm bringing my new sandals from Born. So I just got these a few days ago. I really needed a pair of sandals. I don't have like any open-toed sandals right now. So I'm so glad that these arrived on time. I'm hoping that they will be comfy enough because sometimes with new shoes they can be a little bit uncomfy, so we'll see. But if they are a little bit uncomfy, then at least I'll have my cowboy boots, which are pretty comfortable, I would say. So for bottoms, I'm bringing this pair of Levi's 501 jeans. I really like these just because they really go with everything. They are pretty comfortable. I do need to wash these because I put like an Easter egg chocolate in the pocket, and when I was trying these outfits on I realized that there is chocolate everywhere in this pocket, so I need to wash these. That's one of the things on my list today, is to do a load of laundry. I also need to wash my hair, just all that kind of stuff to get ready for the trip. So Levi's 501 jeans, and I'm also bringing my new cotton skirt that I got on Amazon. 100% cotton. I'm not really sure what the brand is. It's just like some Amazon brand. But I thought this would be really pretty in Santa Fe. I do need to like steam this. I may also bring a little steamer, although the hotel that I am working with on this trip, they may have a steamer. So maybe I'll just try to steam everything before the trip. We'll see. I'm also bringing this little skirt from Saison. The only thing about this skirt is that, so it is a size small, but it like ends up stretching out, so it's a little bit loose. So the only thing to do about that would be to maybe try to wash it and see if I can like get it to shrink up a little bit. We'll see. I'm not even sure exactly if I'll end up wearing this skirt. It's just like an option, so we'll see about that. And then I'm thinking that I'll bring these little cotton pants. I think these are cotton. These are actually my mom's, so they are just like a vintage pair of pants. are super lightweight and very thin, so they take up like no room at all. So I figured like, okay, might as well bring this as an option. They are very wrinkly right now, so they also need to be steamed. Maybe even I'll wash them in like a load of laundry. But these are perfect for spring, and it is spring right now, so I thought, okay, this might be a good option. So as far as the tops that I'm mix and matching with these bottoms, I'm bringing this Saison top with the polka dots and the cute little ruffle like that. Definitely gives it like a Spanish vibe, so that would be perfect for Santa Fe, I thought. And this goes really well with like the jeans, it goes with the white skirt, so that gives me like some options. And then I am bringing my new top from Gray State Apparel. So same thing with this one. When I was trying everything on, it went really well with the jeans and it went well with the skirt. So that gives me like a few options to wear this with. I also feel like this has, you know, good spring vibes, kind of like Spanishy vibes as well. So that would be a really cute look for Santa Fe. And then I have two more tops that I'm bringing. So this is a little macrame crochet top from Saison. So this actually goes with that skirt and it looks really, really cute together, but I have worn that outfit before and I like to try to get, you know, like new outfits for photos for like my blog and things like that. So I'm not sure if I would wear that like two-piece set this time, but I like to bring it because both of those pieces mix and match really well with other things. And then I have this top here, which is also a new top from Gray State, and it's a pointe-tail top, so it looks really, really cute, like with the jeans, with the skirt, that kind of thing. I definitely need to wash this, and hopefully that will help shrink it up a little bit, because the only thing I've noticed with this shirt is that it quickly stretches out and gets kind of like baggy. So that's my only like complaint with this shirt. Otherwise, I really like and think it's very cute. So those are all of the outfits I'm bringing. Let me show you guys the purse I'm bringing as well. Okay, so I thought this would be perfect for Santa Fe because, like I was saying, it's a really cute bag for spring. It also kind of gives me like a little bit of like Spanish vibes. So this goes really well with all of these outfits. The only thing is I brought it to Mexico with us in January and I got sunscreen on the leather. So I'm gonna try to like look it up and figure out what I can do to get this sunscreen out. It's on both sides. I must have like grabbed it right after putting on sunscreen. So I want to see if I can get that stain out. I was debating on whether to bring that purse or this purse from Saison, which I really love as well, and I don't get to like wear it day to day, so it's kind of like a special bag that I use for trips or dates or things like that. So it's this cute little suede purse from Saison, but I ended up deciding that I think that this basket bag is going to be like a little bit more the vibe. So I'm just gonna bring the one purse because I do like to just really try to pack light and have like limited options that's easy to get dressed in the morning basically. The only other thing is I need to figure out what I'm going to wear for the road trip there because it is a like 6.5 hour drive. So it'll be a 6.5 hour drive there and back. So I need something that I can wear that'll be comfy in the car. So I might just end up wearing like this shirt with like a pair of sweats or something, and then basically right when we get there we are going to check into the hotel, and since I am working with the hotel I'll need to shoot content and stuff like that, so I'll probably just have to get changed in our hotel room or in the car or something. So we'll see how that goes, and then we're going out to dinner that first night. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if I can pack this all up in the suitcase. If not, that's kind of when I start making decisions as far as like, okay, I'll cut this or get rid of this. Okay, so I just made sure that the suitcase closed, so all is well there. I will have to take some of these stuff out and some of these things out and basically just repack because I want to wash some of this stuff. But just so that you can kind of see how I do it, I like to roll all of the clothing. I've seen other people like just fold them flat. I'm not really sure which technique is better, but for me, I feel like rolling works really well. And so basically, Andrew's stuff is on that side, my stuff is on this side. My stuff usually spills over onto his section. And then on this side, we have Sage's clothes, undergarments, a long sleeve for Andrew. And then over here, I have just like my jacket and my bag will be loose in the car. The shoes will probably just be loose in the car as well. And then this is what I'm going to be wearing in the car, I think, just so I know that I'm really comfy. So I'll have this Victoria's Secrets tank, which I need to wash, and then my new pants from Gray State Apparel in the size extra small. I had to exchange these with them because the small was too big. Hopefully, I haven't tried those on, so hopefully they do fit well. I'm sure that they will. I like to usually just have what we're wearing laid out the day before, especially because we're leaving at like 8 in the morning or something. So I'll have to figure out what Andrew is going to wear in the car and what Sage is going to wear in the car. And I also need to pack up our toiletries, which we have a toiletry bag, which I'll probably just have loose in the car because I don't think there's really going to be room for it in here. Maybe if I shift some things around. And then, of course, we'll also bring my camera bag and probably my tripod. But I think that is pretty good.